Mom, are we almost there? Of course, honey, we're almost there. We'll be there in a few minutes to the airport. Why are we moving to a small apartment anyway? So we can get you into a better high school, darling. All right. We almost there yet? Yes, we are here. We're here? Of course. Yeah, of course we are. Oh my gosh. Like, we're here? Unbuckle, honey. We have to get out. Okay, Mom. Whoa.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our boarding process. Your large carry-on items need to go in the overhead compartments. Your smaller ones underneath the seat in front of you, keeping all exits and aisles clear. If you need assistance, please contact the flight attendant.
Excuse me, everyone. We will be taking off in a few moments, so please hang tight and, yeah, we'll be leaving in a little bit. We're about to go to one of the biggest places in the world, or one of my favorite places to go in the world. What is that? Oh yeah, California? I know, and I'm gonna be going there for school. Everyone, we will be taking off in 3, 2, 1. Well, goodbye, Petville. Well, bye, Petville. I'm really gonna miss you. You are the best place ever. Well, we just landed. Huh? We're in California now. You've been sleeping for hours. I have? Oh, oops.